Hey there, my name is Shahid and I am a technical lead at ProvalTech. In this video, I will show you how to create a maintenance template to disable all alerts and scripts 24/7. Please click the like and subscribe button so you never have to miss out on another video. Let's get into it. So first of all, we are going to hit on System Configuration Dashboard, hit on Management right here, and then Maintenance Windows. We are going to create a new window right here and name it Disable All Alerts and Scripts 24/7. The reason I am naming it this way so that whosoever is going to apply this template on the locations, they know what this template is going to do. Now we are going to add time frames here. New time frame every day, as we are going to do it 24/7. We are going to do alerts and scripts. We are going to start at 12 a.m. right here and do it based on half-hour intervals. So we are going to put like 33 or 35 minutes right here. So that way these time frames are going to override one another and the maintenance mode is going to be enabled 24/7. So once that is created, we are going to add the time frames 12:30 a.m. right here and do the same thing. You will need to follow the same process for 24 hours and create it based on half-hour intervals. Once that is done, you will need to hit close, and once it closes, it is going to reload the cache. And once the cache reloads, we are going to set this alert template or maintenance template that we created on a location. In this case, I'm going to set the maintenance template on this particular location. Once this loads up, you are going to navigate to deployment and defaults, and in here select the alert maintenance template that you have created and hit save. The purpose of doing it based on 30-minute intervals is to make sure that the maintenance mode gets applied to the machines as soon as you apply it. Someone might be wondering, why are we doing it based on the 30-minute intervals and not like 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. The reason is, when you apply the maintenance template on a location, it is going to get applied at the next runtime. So in order to have it set with 30-minute intervals, we are going to make sure that the machines are going into maintenance mode as soon as you apply the template on the location. The use case scenario for using this template is for newly onboarded partners. For example, you have onboarded a new partner and you don't want to generate any alerts or run any scripts against the partner. You can set this maintenance template on that location or bunch of locations. Also, if you are trying to perform the maintenance overnight for a particular location, you can use this template and set it there. So once you apply the maintenance template, the machines inside this location are going into maintenance mode at the next runtime. As I mentioned, that is going to be at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. That should be pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge. Let us know what else you would like to see, or if you have any questions, please leave your response in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.